Welcome to the Hydraulic Press channel. Today we are going to make some worms, or at least a huge mess, because it's Return of the Worm Maker 5 million, the original one. And this time I have much better cameras and camera angles, so this is going to be extra nice with all the good details. And the first one, oranges. And I'm going to go with the full speed. Okay. The smell is really good, and I'm really glad that I decided to protect my camera lens. That's like, I think that's like 1,200 euros, that lens. Yeah, but enjoy this. We are going to enjoy the cleaning. And then the next one, pineapple. That was gruesome end to our friend. I would say that the oranges flew a bit more than the pineapple, but this is also pretty good. Then red cabbage. It's over here. I have sun on my head. Then old classic candles, and this time there is a lot of those. Okay, that was completely full of candle, the tool this time, so this was really nice. Then some carrots. I think this is the best color and easiest to clean, so great overall, 5 out of 5. Then some soap. This should be really nice. Okay, this wasn't so hard soap as I thought. It like doesn't help that the worms are like long if they don't stay up. Like should be like that and long all the way here, but didn't happen. Okay, then we have Skittles, and these are much harder than fruits, so we need to step down to smaller diameter and more robust tools, so they're able to extrude all of this shit out without exploding. Okay, this is not exactly food grade, but I'm going to risk it all in the name of science. Tastes just like Skittles. Then extreme sticky gummy bears. This is going to be a nightmare to open after this. These are now gummy snakes. Ugh. These are really sticky and stretchy. Then some are these like fishing lures, whatever. There they go. The sound was really nice. And then, last one of the day, mystery candy. Ooh, pretty nice. I think I can taste this. We have flushed the tool with so much candy. Tastes like mint chocolate, so pretty good. Okay, and then last one of the day, crayons. Took like half an hour to get the papers out of these, hope that it was worth of it. Ooh, that's nice. Super nice. They just keep coming. Yeah, I think they started to come a bit faster when it heated up from the friction. But that's super nice. And since we are going to do billions of views with these on YouTube Shorts, I'm going to film a lot more. So please let me know what should I put here and what sized holes and other dimensions should I have here. I'm going to follow your recommendations. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.